Hello, everyone. Good afternoon or good morning, wherever you are in the world. So, welcome to our business page, Glenda and Angelito. So, for those who don't know me, I'm Glenda and I'm a mom of three. I'm from the Philippines, but currently living in Alberta, Canada. So, today, I'm very pleased to have this interview with my business partners so that she can share her journey and story of why she chose to start this business while she's doing her two jobs. Okay, so today I'm going to give the floor to Sis Rosaline so she can like quickly introduce herself. So Sis Rosaline, please.
Hello everyone! How's everyone doing? I am Roselyn Dulnuan. I'm originally from the Philippines, but I'm currently living here in Saskatchewan, Canada. I'm doing healthcare aid. I am a mom and a grandma of 5 kids.
Oh wow. So I know that how like busy you are, Sis Rosaline, but still thanks again for allowing me to have you as my guest in our business page. Okay, so moving on, I have some questions for you, Sis Rosaline. We really
Sure.
want to hear your inspiring story. So my first question, Sis, is what inspired you to join this online business? And what is your why behind pursuing it?
Well, before I was just scrolling social media, especially Facebook, right? And
Mhm.
it's like I was just using social media without any payment, but I saw many successful digital business owners posting. Usually, I saw them in the feeds, and
Yeah.
I was curious, so I tried to click, and then I started this business because I want also to be like them. And that's why I really want to pursue this business also because I want to be a debt free, working from home, even I am traveling, I am earning, not only spending, and there are lots of benefits about this business, especially like helping families, especially our if we are immigrant, right? We need to send
Mhm.
money back home to help them,
Correct.
and also we want to have savings, not only keep working and we are just using for our bills. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, thank you so much, Sis Roslyn. Actually, ganun din yung naging path ko when I saw this business. It's also in my news feed. And I was like, I'm just a new immigrant when I saw this business. So I'm kinda intimidated as well. But nung nakita ko na maraming iba't ibang lahi and may Pinoy na gumagawa nitong negosyo and they are so successful. And I also, that's why when I told myself na kung kaya nila, kaya ko rin. Kaya thank God I've been into this business since 2018. So 6 years na hindi ko siya namamalayan. Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, thank you for that, Sis Roslyn. So my second question is, what challenges have you faced along the way, and how as your business partners, like we help you overcome those overcome this your obstacles together.
Yeah. Well, it's normal. Sometimes in life we have challenges. In every journey we have, there are lots of challenges. Okay, so first of all, I am not tech savvy. Hindi ko alam mag-turn on
Mm.
ng computer, hindi ko alam mag-copy paste. So I was struggling to use the computer, pero nang dahil sa tulong ng mga mentors, coaches, and community, wow, I did it. Marunong na ako. And then another thing is I have 2 jobs. Talagang busy ako. Nagwo-work ako every day. Minsan wala akong time Pero dahil sa tulong ng community coaches uli at saka mentors, nagagawan ng paraan kaya. Minsan iba yung iniisip mo lang na, ay hindi ayaw kong mag-business kasi busy ako, mayroon akong malilit na bata, meron akong bla bla bla. Kung
Yeah.
andito na kayo sa business, magagawan pala ng paraan if we really like it. Talagang magkakaroon tayo
Correct.
ng time. Yun lang ang sinasabi ko talaga sa lahat.
Yeah, so that's true, Sis Roslyn. So ako din, maraming nagtatanong kung anong klaseng business and kung paano ginagawa at gusto nila mag-join. Pero ang kalimitang parang nagbablock sa kanila is busy sila, walang oras, they're doing full-time, pero hindi nila naisip na parang if you really want something or if you really want to achieve something, it's really a matter of choice.
Yeah,
So,
that's right.
kung gusto, maraming paraan, and kung ayaw is maraming dahilan. So,
Yes.
yun lang yung parang nakakasad na reality na we are, tayong mga Pinoy, we are all hardworking people. And alam natin na kaya nating tumapat sa kahit sino kasi napakasipag na. Like you are having 2 jobs and andyan yung pamilya mo and you're also a grandma, but still you are having results or you are a rock star in our business. That's why I'm really like
Thank
kudos to
you.
you, Sis Roslyn, for like being a hard worker and you always like show up on your business every single day. It's really talagang nasa tao lang if they really want to do something, they really need to take action to pursue it because wala namang magbibigay sa atin ng success or really need to create for it and parang do it for ourselves kasi wala namang gagawa nun para sa atin. So
Yes,
thank you
I
for that
agree po.
again, sis. Yes. And my last question for you. Alam ko, masyado kang busy and you are, nasa work ka ngayon, right? And you're just like taking
Yes.
your break. That?
Nasa downtime ko, coach. So, it's okay. Good.
Oh, I see. Yeah, thank you so much for for sparing your time with this interview and to share your story to our madlang people. Okay. So my last question for you is, what's one piece of advice you'd give to the like all the people, like aspiring entrepreneurs or people thinking about starting their like online business?
Yeah.
Invite them.
Yeah. Pag nahihirapan din kayo sa pera, like me before, nai-stress kayo, all what I am mentioning now is my experiences. Kaya sinasabi ko na sa inyo, kung too much stress, very low confidence, meron kayong insecurities, tight budget, ito na yung panahon, mag-isip na tayo at mag-start tayo ng ibang way of earning kasi lalo na ngayon at mahal ang ating bilihin, di ba? Sobra naranasan natin nung holidays. Oh my goodness. Grabe, nakaka-drain
Daming
ng
gastos.
account talaga. So, maganda talaga itong business kaya mag-try kayo. Kasi grabe ako nung walang business, sobrang marami akong experiences na hindi maganda. Pero after na nagkaroon ako ng business, kahit may darating na pagsubok sa buhay ko, parang wala lang. Kasi parang itong business na ito ang nagbibigay ng pag-asa sa buhay ko. Ito ay totoo
Wow.
talaga. So, instead of iiyak-iyak ako or sad or whatever, magproproblema, nagbibisi ako sa business, hindi ko binibigyan pansin ang mga stress ko sa buhay at nabubus din ang insecurities ko. Kaya talagang I'm so grateful na nahanapan ko itong business na ito. At Thank you, Coach Glenda, sa maraming tulong nyo sa amin. Ito yung kagandahan ng isang business namin. Hindi tayo mag-iisa kasi, or I mean, you will not do your business by yourself kasi may mga coaches, mentors at community na willing na talagang tutulong sila sa atin. Kahit hindi tayo tech savvy, kahit graduate lang tayo, high school graduate, I mean, kahit wala tayong experiences, magagawan ng paraan. Yung kailangan lang yung interest natin. Yeah, kung gusto natin, sumali na. Mag-register lang kayo sa sa website namin. And meron din kaming every Tuesday and Thursday na free live webinar. Dito tayo mag-uumpisa kung gusto nating i-check ang ating business na ito. Ito ang business na pinaka-best sa lahat ng na-experience kong online business. At ito ang business na forever business ko. So, kung gusto nyo, take action na. Ito lang ang gusto kong masasabi sa lahat ng nakikinig at makikinig sa ating replay. Thank you, Coach.
Wow. Parang wala na akong mai-add pa, Sis Roslyn. So thank you for those words para sa ating viewers and for those na nanood ng live. So thank you po, and sa manonood ng replay. So kaya po, that's why proud kami na i-share ang negosyong ito saan mang part ng mundo or saan mang social media. So makikita niyo po kami everywhere because we are all proud business owners na gusto namin din i-share kung ano man yung na ibibigay sa amin itong negosyo na magandang buhay, na magandang, katulad ng sinabi ni Sis Rosalie, na when you have like probably family problems or anything na meron tayo sa buhay, lahat naman tayo is tao lang, so lahat yan nararanasan natin. So instead na malungkot, ma-depress, isa po itong negosyo is really parang a good source of like, kasi nagiging pamilya kami dito. So we really help each other and cheer each other up. So wala po dito yung naghihilahan kayo pababa para lang merong umangat. So dito po talaga walang luma, walang bago. We really help each other. So pantay-pantay po tayong lahat dito. Kaya that's why we are really proud of sharing this business opportunity to everyone. Kaya if you're looking for a side hustle, for now, kasi you are working, like Sis Roslyn, she's working 2 jobs and still doing her business for herself. So, just register lang po on our website para mapanood niyo po ang free information session, yung basic details about the business, para malaman niyo po if this business fits for you. Pero ang masasabi lang po namin is, we are so proud about our business community and we call it family. So thank you so much, Sis Roslyn, for your time and for sharing your story with us. So I'm so proud of you. Congratulations on your achievements. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a good day.